Unlocking the fun. Bridal shower games explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that brings joy, laughter, and memorable moments to many: bridal shower games. Whether you're planning a bridal shower, attending one, or just curious about this delightful tradition, you're in the right place. Let's explore what these games are, why they're played, and share some popular examples to get you inspired. Bridal shower games are fun activities designed to entertain guests during a bridal shower, a pre-wedding celebration in honor of the bride-to-be. These games are not just for fun. They serve to break the ice among guests who may not know each other well and to create a festive atmosphere. Bridal shower games often reflect themes of love, marriage, and the journey the couple is about to embark on together. The main purpose of these games is to enhance the social experience of the bridal shower. They encourage interaction, laughter, and bonding among guests. Additionally, games can be tailored to the bride-to-be's personality, making the event even more personal and memorable. It's a way to celebrate the bride's next chapter in life with joy and a sense of community. Let's take a look at some beloved bridal shower games. 1. Toilet paper wedding dress. Guests are divided into teams and given rolls of toilet paper. Each team selects a bride and has to create a wedding dress using only the toilet paper within a set time limit. The real bride-to-be then judges the dresses, and the winning team gets a prize. 2. Guess the memory. Each guest writes down a memory they have with the bride-to-be. The bride reads each memory aloud and has to guess who wrote it. It's a heartfelt way to reminisce and strengthen bonds. 3. Ring hunt. Before the party, hide plastic or candy rings around the party area. Guests have to find as many rings as they can within a certain time. This game adds an adventurous element to the shower. Know your audience. Choose games that suit the age range and interests of the guests. Prepare in advance. Gather all materials needed for the games before the shower to ensure a smooth flow. Keep it inclusive. Make sure everyone feels comfortable participating. Offer alternative ways to participate for those who may be shy. Timing is key. Don't overload the event with games. A good balance between game time and socializing will keep guests engaged and happy. Bridal shower games are a fantastic way to celebrate the bride-to-be, create lasting memories, and ensure everyone has a blast. Whether you prefer creative, thoughtful, or active games, there's something for every shower to make it unforgettable. We hope this video has inspired you to include some fun and engaging games in your next bridal shower. Thank you for watching, and may your next bridal shower be filled with joy, laughter, and a whole lot of fun.